Hi friends, it's time to do our math for today, and our number is the number 32. Three groups of 10 and two ones. Now let's sound it out and write the word. That's right, a TH together says th. Now, I. That's right, that's an I like igloo. Good. Good. And do you remember that letter that says E, but it's not an E? That's right, 30. And then I'm just going to tell you how to write the word two. There are several different ways to write the word two, and you will learn about that as you get older. But for the number two, it's TWO. All right, so let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, that needs to be longer. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I love how you're counting with me. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, I'm running out of room. I'm going to write underneath. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Wow, that is a big number. Thanks for counting that with me. All right, let's put it in our tens grids and see how many. All right, here we go. Count with me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10 and 1, 2 ones. 32. Excellent. All right, I'm going to slide this down and let's tally it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right, friends, let's count by fives. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Awesome. All right, now let's count by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We can count by tens up to 100. We can count by tens. Ready, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome job. All right, now what is the number before 32? It's this one right here. That's right, 31. So that is 3 groups of 10 and 1. All right, now what is going to come after 32? So if we're counting, let's start with 25. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. That's right, it's a pattern. So we had today 3 groups of 10 and 2 ones. Next week is 33, and that will be 3 groups of 10 and 3 ones. Fantastic. And friends, later today we will be gluing our 33 pieces of cereal on in our tens grid. And I hope that you have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.